Have you ever wondered how to invest in cryptocurrency in India? With Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets making headlines now might be the perfect time to explore this growing financial space. But where do you start? Don't worry. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to invest in crypto safely and legally in India. Let's dive in. Before investing, it's crucial to understand what cryptocurrency is. Cryptos are digital assets that operate on blockchain technology, meaning they are decentralized and not controlled by any government or bank. Unlike traditional stocks, crypto prices fluctuate based on market demand, investor sentiment, and global trends. In India, cryptocurrency is not illegal, but it is also not officially regulated yet. However, the government has implemented a 30% tax on profits and 1% TDS on transactions. If you make a loss in crypto, it cannot be carried forward or offset by profits. To start investing, you need to register on a cryptocurrency exchange. Some popular platforms in India are WazirX, CoinDCX, ZepPay, CoinSwitch, Cuber, and Binance. Once you choose an exchange, follow the steps to register. Sign up using your email and phone number. Complete KYC by uploading your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and bank details. Wait for verification approval, usually comes within a few minutes. KYC is mandatory to comply with the Indian regulations ensuring safe transactions. Now that your account is ready, deposit funds using UPI, IMPS, NEFT, RTGS, bank transfers, debit or credit cards if supported. To buy your first cryptocurrency, choose the crypto you want to invest in. Select the order type, market order for instant purchase, and limit order for a set price. Click buy and confirm the transactions. Once you buy crypto, storing it securely is very essential. There are two main options: hot wallets, online and convenient, which includes exchange wallets, MetaMask, and Trust Wallet. And cold wallets are offline and secure. Hardware wallets like Ledger, Trezor, ideal for long-term investors. Keep track of your portfolio using apps like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, or Delta. Stay updated with the market trends and set alerts for price changes. In India, crypto earnings are subject to 30% tax on profit and 1% TDS on every transaction. To stay compliant, keep records of all the transactions. Report your crypto earnings while filling income tax returns. Consult a tax expert if needed. And that's it. You are now ready to start your cryptocurrency investment journey in India. Remember, crypto is an exciting but volatile market, so always invest wisely and stay informed. Subscribe for more financial insights and drop your questions in the comment section below.